2018 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, compass, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.